What's up, YouTube? Another morning video here. Weasel Critter. Call me Weasel Short. Don't know why I haven't said them other videos. Now, I have a story before I tell you what I will be chewing, which you can tell in the. So, yesterday, I was going down to the river. I had a buddy with me. Have a power wing, if any of y'all know what that is. It's a scooter. It's got two little boards, so you go side to side. And you don't have to push with your feet. So there's this big hill. I was on the scooter and he was walking. I was like, well, hey, let's just make it faster, get down to the river. Just ride down the hill, sort of homo, but you just stand on the little bar and then there's little pedals on the back. I just stay on the pedal. So started going down the hill. And the front brake, all it's got is a front brake. I already do that. Locks up the front tires so your back is just on pivot, so it starts going like that. So we did that, and you'd have to brake, start going like that. Finally, we just going too fast, brake too hard, got the wiggles. If any of y'all know what the wiggles are, it's whenever you get too fast and you get so nervous that you start going like that. We got the wiggles and we went down. And I punched a rock, and it's all like that over my hand. I got road rash on my arm, my elbow. I took a big chunk out of my hand. That hit a metal pipe, so that went in me. That's just not like a little chunk. That's just like it's in my hand. Like I'm not gonna stick anything down in there to show you how deep. But it's not even healed up. It's so deep it's just like still all gooey and stuff. That little dot right there hasn't even healed up yet. That was yesterday. Laying on my back, I'm not gonna turn around, but laying on my back's all scraped up. I know you can't see it because my computer, you know, it's all lit up. Like I have good lighting, it just doesn't take it in all that much. But if you look at it, all around this right here is purple. It's all bruised. And it's not that bad of a scrape. It's just all bruised around it. So, on to the review. Drinking Pepsi, Wild Cherry, because I'm a wild boy. I like Dr. Pepper Cherry better. But, it'll do. Alright. I accidentally threw away my real tree. So I had it on my junk. So, I gotta go buy another someday. A little money. So I modified this. You can see how it goes in. Just a pair of needle nose pliers, just pull out the sides, bend back, put that little thing down. Alright. Today we're doing a rackety old packet of organs. Chewing tobacco. And I cannot find the expiration date on this. As you tell, it is old enough to where there is no warning label. Nothing. All it says is somewhere on here. Safe. This product is not a safe alternative to cigarette. Right there where my thumb is. Those are the letters, if you can see it. That's all it says. Hold this up. I'm trying to find the expiration date. But you can tell it's at least past 3 years old. Maybe more. I don't know if they put the expiration date on the cans, to tell you the truth. But it's a long time ago. It might have been 5 years ago whenever we bought the bag, to tell you the truth, because we were putting it on our lawn and it's like what we had left. No mold. I had a dust dirt in it. So, it says, big on taste. What big on taste of 5 years tastes like. Woo! That is some dry stuff. Look at that. Oh, and look at this. Good thing it's got plastic lining. Here we go. Sort of see how much is in there. Alright. You can't even grab a pinch because it all just... I'm just leaving my fingers where it are. All of it came out. Look. Just gonna leave my fingers where they are. My hands sideways. Just all falls out. So I guess I'm not putting it in a big tube today. It's all... For some reason it's not actually completely dry. It's actually still got a little bit of moisture to it. Just throw it in. Alright, so I have to sort of try and pack this together. So that way, you know, pack sort of a ball of it. Pack ball. It's got dirt and stuff all in there too. There's a piece of dirt on it on my finger. Alright. No, I'm not going to chew this stuff. That's dirt that was on the cheek. See, came off. Okay. Flavor. Besides that, it dries up your whole entire mouth. Not that bad. Really, really, really sweet. Got a little bit of brownness in it. Really, really, really sweet. And it doesn't look like this. I really like the flavor. Sort of salty. Even after being 5 years old, it's still spitting out black. After you get it moistened up and chew it a little bit. I think this is my new favorite chew. Of course, we're gonna go get a new bag. That's going back in the basement. So I don't know if they changed it. Ooh, that's black. I don't know if they changed it or not. But if it's the same as old time, I'll go get it. I will try it. I mean, I think Red Man's still my favorite, but this one's not half bad. Not after even being 5 years old. Or maybe older. Maybe a year younger. No warning label. Tell me how, somebody comment and tell me how long it was until they put the warning label on. Or how long ago they put the warning label on it. Alright, I'm going to show y'all something that's going to be nasty. Gotta go into the bathroom. So, this is my little redneck bathroom. I'm gonna pour out my black spit. Alright? Yeah, so I can do that. supposed to see that. Ew. Toothpaste fell in it. Y'all see how black that is? That's pretty black. And if y'all did not see that, I'm sorry, but y'all should have. Try to wash some of it out. Maybe alright. So, our next video is going to be a tour of my house. So, go out and try this. I recommend it. Morgan, chewing the bathroom. And I'm saying, out. Go try it.